Hi, in today's video I wanted to share with you a delicious chocolate cake recipe, and I love making this cake when we have a special occasion or for a gathering, and everyone always loves it whether they're vegan or not. And before we get started, I quickly wanted to mention I have a website where I share all the recipes with the full measurements written out. So I will be linking that in the description below and I hope you check it out. And now let's get into the recipe. Start by adding to a bowl the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and cacao and mixing it together. Then in a larger bowl, add the sugar, then the plant-based milk, the oil, and mix well together after adding each ingredient. Next, slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet ones and mix. I added mine in 3 parts. Continue mixing everything until it is well combined and there are no lumps. Then slightly oil a cake pan. I do this by adding a dab of oil on a napkin and moving it through the whole cake pan. Add the batter into the cake pan and pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, take some dark vegan chocolate and using a potato peeler create chocolate shavings to put on the cake. This is of course an optional step, but I definitely recommend it as it looks nice and adds a more chocolatey flavor. Also, prepare some chocolate sauce to drizzle on top of the cake by adding to a bowl 100 grams of vegan dark chocolate that you break into squares. Also add 1 tablespoon of oil and a 1/4 cup of plant-based milk of your choice. Put it in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds until the chocolate melts. Take it out and mix it up. Then when the 25 to 30 minutes are up, check on the cake to check if it's ready. Put a fork in the cake, and if it comes out clean, it is ready. Finally, once the cake cools down, move the cake onto a serving plate, cover it with the chocolate drizzle, and top it off with the chocolate shavings. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. If this was your first time here, make sure to subscribe to join the Living Life Simply community, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!